Thinking about using H&R Block Tax Software for your 2025 tax filing? Let's go over what you need to know before you decide. H&R Block is a household name when it comes to tax software, and for good reason. It offers user-friendly tools that make filing your taxes easier, whether you're filing simple returns or more complex ones. From step-by-step guidance to live chat support, they're designed to help you every step of the way. One of the standout features is the tax preparation assistance. If you're stuck or need professional help, H&R Block offers access to tax experts directly, even with the self-service version. This can be a huge relief for anyone worried about making a mistake on their taxes. Another strong point is the accuracy guarantee. If H&R Block makes a mistake, they'll pay any penalties or interest, which provides peace of mind knowing your taxes are in good hands. Plus, their audit support can help guide you through any IRS inquiries if they happen to pop up. But it's not all perfect. While the software is generally intuitive, some users report that the pricing structure can get a bit confusing, especially if you need to upgrade to access certain features like live support or more advanced tax scenarios. So, is H&R Block Tax software worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use software that offers expert support and a solid accuracy guarantee, H&R Block is definitely a strong contender. Just keep an eye on the pricing if you need the higher tier options. That's your breakdown of H&R Block Tax software. Stay tuned for more reviews like this one.